Hello, fourth graders. Welcome to our online classroom. I am going to show you guys how to get onto Google Classroom from home just in case you're not sure how to do that, because that is what you're going to need to do to start all of this. So you go to the KPBSD website, www.kpbsd.k12.ak.us. And then once you get on there, on this very top part, you can either go into your district email or you can go into Google Drive, whichever you'd like, and just click on there, and then your waffle will appear. I went into my Drive, and then once your waffle is there, you just pull that down and head down to Classroom, and you'll be in our classroom. Mine's going to show all the different classes that I have logged into, and yours will show the ones that you have logged into. Most of our stuff is going to be accessed from this site here, the 2019-2020 fourth grade classroom. We're going to be utilizing that a lot in the next couple of weeks, since you guys are going to be doing your work from home. And for math, however, you will go to your individual groups, whether you're a coyote, a whale, a panda, or a wolf. So you should all be in those groups ready to go. And if anybody needs to move groups, I will be contacting you to help make that happen. So I hope everybody's doing well. I miss you all, and I look forward to touching base online and doing this whole new experience for all of us. We're going to do the best we can at it and hopefully have a lot of fun while we're in the process, and at least get some, even though we can't connect in school, it'll be really nice to connect with you guys online and to be able to see your faces. So that's all for now.